I'm not here to bash the KRIEG tools for what they are. They're very good, but for those of you like me whose last name isn't Rockefeller and you don't have all day to sit there and place the pocket hole guide on every board that you do, there is a better way. It took me a little while to figure it out. Thought I'd share it. I need to put this here like this one for a brace, so that I want that to be my goal. And this is what I do. You might have a better way yourself, but first I brace the board up against something. You don't have to, but it helps. Then I turn my drill upside down like a gun, right? Come about 1 inch off and just drill down into the tip. Just put the tip in like that. And then I come down and I press down as I'm drilling so that it rests on the board like this, so that you're going in at that angle. You don't want to go down, which will go through the board on the other side and look crappy, and that's not what you want, right? No, I didn't think so. Another one, about 1 inch over. Feel the tip go in, come down, press down. Oh, that's not good. Anyway, you get the idea. And then when you do your screw in, there's my little template, same kind of thing. You want to put that screw in at that same kind of angle where it goes in without coming out the other side. And what I do is get a little brace to keep it flat and level and pretty. There's that one. And number 2, same thing, put the pressure down. And again, I'm trying to get the drill down. That's all right. Same thing on the other side. Brace it about 1 inch away. Tips in. And there you go. 2, see, put the drill down on it as I'm pushing in there. So if you're making a lot of joints but not smoking a lot while you're doing this, you'll end up without a finger. Of course, the pain won't be as noticeable. Again, and again, come in from the side, brace it. You can always come back with putty to cover up your holes there. But I just do this because it saves a lot of time and it's the same result. I mean, there you go.